Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the iTel Storm Plus smartwatch. It is a popular smartwatch from the company iTel. This is the ISW O15 model as stated here, as you can see. On this video, we are going to install the support app for this wearable, and this time it's for the iOS platform, iPhone. So we have here our iPhone. So we'll try to install the support app for this wearable and see if it works with the iPhone. We have here the QR code for the app. It is the FitCloudPro application. So we will install this. The QR code is also available here in the smartwatch, as you can see here. Okay, so we'll not scan this anymore. Instead, we'll just search the name of the app, as we are already familiar with this application. Again, if you are interested to get the O15 and you want to see if it works with iPhone, watch this video. And again, if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's start and pair it with our iPhone. So let's go to the App Store. So let's search FitCloudPro. And we have here the application, as you can see here. It has the same logo, the FitCloudPro app. So let's check out the app here. So let's download the application, FitCloudPro, for our iTel O15 Smartwatch. So let's wait for it to finish downloading and installing in our iPhone. Okay, as you can see here, the download is finally complete and it's already installed in our smartphone. So let's open the application and see if it works with our iTel O15 smartwatch. So tap on open. So FitCloudPro would like to send you notifications. We'll allow it. FitCloudPro would like to use Bluetooth. Okay. And FitCloudPro to track your activity across other companies' apps and website. Okay. So you have an option to allow it or not. In our case, we'll just allow it. Then, so we have here an option on the bottom part. Join us. You can register. Sign in if you already have an account, or visit as guest. So this is just a demo, so we'll use this one, visit as guest. Now you have to add your profile here. Okay, we'll just add fictitious weight here and height. Okay, then next. This is our goal, 8,000 steps, and complete. Then, bind smartwatch. After binding the smartwatch, the data can be analyzed more clearly on the app. So search now. We do have here the HaloWatch S6. Okay, search again. Cannot find our smartwatch here. So let's go to the settings, system, and reset. Then English. Okay, skip. Search again. And as you can see here, our smartwatch appeared here on the dashboard. The iTel ISW O15. To bind the smartwatch, tap on it. So binding the smartwatch. Okay, agree to the phone binding request. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. iPhone notifications, so this is another permission, allow it. And bind success, as you can see here. Enjoy now. As you can see here, we have now successfully paired our iTel ISWO15 Storm Plus smartwatch to our smartphone with the FitCloudPro application. So let's have the preliminary setup. So let's check. Push notifications. The call and SMS is activated here. So let's activate Messenger. Let's see if there are permission. None. So the permissions for this app has already been activated upon downloading and installing when we set up the support app. Skype and more reminders. Okay, go back. Watch face, sport push, race to wake. Let's activate, yes. Time format. You have an option here to pick 12-hour or 24-hour format time. Left hand, find the smartwatch. Let's see. Okay, so it works. Then I think that's it. Okay, shake to take photo. So nothing else to set up. Daily step goal. Unit prefer. Okay. So we have an option here to pair it with or synchronize the health section to the Apple Health. There's no Strava support, only Apple Health. Then let's try to download the watch face. We have a custom watch face here. So let's pick this one. Sync watch face. So let's wait. So now, as you can see, our smartwatch switched to download mode for the watch face. It is now syncing. So 44%, 52. Let's wait for it to finish. And let's see if we'll have a successful installation, downloading and installation of a watch face. Okay, and finally we have our new watch face. So far, we are still connected, as you can see here. Seems like everything is okay, stable. So there's no support for, I see, let's check. There's no support for the quick reply here. For the push notifications, we have Facebook here. I don't know if it is the same with the Messenger. Okay, we will try to check it out. But we have an option here. Yes, we have a Messenger here. So there's support for Messenger. For the O23, we don't have that. Race to wake, automatic heart rate monitoring. And I guess that's it. So these are the options for our Storm Plus in iPhone platform. Okay. And so far, as you can see, it is stable. So that's it for our tutorial on how to pair your Storm Plus smartwatch with the iPhone. Okay. With the FitCloudPro application. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!